Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at a new trade we just took in. It's a 2016 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. Boat only has 300 hours, just serviced by MarineMax Clearwater. Always lift kept. See, she's got twin Mercury Verado 250s. Again, only 300 hours. Underwater lights. Inside the cockpit. Vessel has a really nice electronics package. Got Raymarine hybrid touch screen with radar, fish finder, Raymarine autopilot. Vessel is also equipped with a bow thruster. Aft you have seating, the standard folding bench, and then to port there is another folding bench seat as well. Plenty of room down in the cabin. The table converts to a dinette. Port you have your galley, fridge, microwave, stovetop, and then aft you have a nice mid-cabin spot back there. Will easily sleep 2 adults. And to starboard, got a nice sized head, wet head, so there's a shower. If you'd like more information, please stop by MarineMax.com or give us a call at 727-536-2628. Thank you.